You are embarking on a thrilling journey, discovering new lands and creating unforgettable memories. In the midst of the adventure, however, a shadowy peril lurks. Will you be unprepared for it, or will you prepare yourself with knowledge and precaution to ensure a safe and healthy journey? Today, I invite you to come along with me on a journey of persuasion to better understand the critical importance of health and safety preparation prior to travel. Fasten your seatbelt as your well-being awaits. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) estimates that 30 to 70% of travelers experience some form of health issue during their trip, spanning from minor issues such as traveler's diarrhea to more serious illnesses such as malaria or dengue fever. Without proper preparation of health and safety before traveling, travelers may be exposed to health and safety risks that can threaten their life. Good day, my name is Jennifer Bacon and I will begin by telling you about the importance of proper preparation of health and safety before traveling, especially international travel. Accidents and injuries that occur during travel can pose significant risks to one's health and well-being. When planning a trip, particularly to unfamiliar, distant, or remote location, it is essential to be aware of these risks and to take the necessary precautions to mitigate them. Travel frequently involves abrupt and dramatic changes in environmental conditions, include altitude, temperature, humidity, and exposure to microorganisms, animals, and insects, which can have negative health consequences. Road traffic accidents are one of the main concerns regarding accidents and injuries during travel. Approximately 1.3 million people annually are killed in road traffic accidents, and an additional 20 to 50 million sustain non-fatal injuries, frequently resulting in permanent disabilities. In addition to causing immense human suffering, road traffic injuries also result in significant economic losses for individuals, family, and nation. These economic burdens are caused by treatment expenses, lost productivity, and the need for family members absent from work or school to care for the injured. Existing mental health symptoms may be exacerbated by the stress and demands of travel, or new episodes of mental illness may be triggered. The tension may be caused by a number of factors, including unfamiliar environment, cultural differences, language barriers, jet lag, transportation delays, and the pressure to fulfill travel expectations. According to studies, a significant proportion of travelers experience mental illness symptoms while traveling. In one study, 11.3% of travelers reported encountering mental illness symptoms while traveling, with 0.3% experiencing psychotic episodes. The specific symptom and their severity can differ based on the traveler and numerous other factors. Climate change is another environmental factor that can impact travelers. Increasing temperature, changing weather patterns, and the rise in sea level can affect the travel experience and safety. Extreme weather conditions and heat waves can make outdoor activities difficult or even hazardous. Now that we understand the significance of health and safety preparation prior to travel, let's explore how this preparation can be implemented for a safe and enjoyable journey. Preparedness for emergency is a crucial aspect of travel safety. It is essential that you get familiar with emergency contact numbers and the local emergency response system at your destination. This enables you to seek assistance immediately in the event of unforeseen emergency or accidents. Prior to your travel, it is essential to research and memorize the emergency numbers for each country you will visit. In addition, it is advisable to share your travel itinerary and contact information with a trustworthy person back home. In the event of an emergency, the individual can immediately alert authorities or assist in coordinating any necessary assistance. It is essential to research for the nearest medical facilities and pharmacies at your travel destination. Knowing the location and contact information of nearby healthcare providers can save valuable time in the event of a medical emergency or the need for medication. A list of hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies in the area, along with their addresses and phone numbers, should be as easily accessible. We can see that health and safety preparation before traveling can have positive impacts on public health. Let's look at how this preparation can benefit the travelers. Health and safety preparation prior to travel can have significant beneficial impacts on travelers. By taking proactive measures to ensure their health, individuals can reduce health risks and improve their travel experience overall. Health and safety preparation gives travelers clarity of mind and the confidence to handle unforeseen circumstances. Having travel insurance that includes coverage for medical care and emergency evacuation provides financial protection and access to medical services abroad, thereby reducing potential stress and uncertainty. Additionally, sharing vital information about one's health condition, itinerary, and scheduled activities with healthcare providers facilitates timely and appropriate medical advice, improving overall travel safety. Without prior planning, individuals may experience difficulties with their health insurance coverage. Some health insurance policies may not cover medical care abroad, leaving travelers responsible for all out-of-pocket medical costs incurred during their trip. This can be particularly challenging in circumstances requiring emergency medical care or evacuation. By now, you should clearly understand why the proper preparation on health and safety before traveling is important to travelers. It is essential to conduct research and remain informed about the destination health risks and safety concerns. Understanding possible risks such as infectious diseases, natural disaster, and political unrest enables travelers to make informed decisions and take the necessary precautions. Remember, investing time and effort in preparation significantly contributes to a healthier and safer travel experience. As we wrap up, let us not underestimate the significance of health and safety while traveling. The well-being of our staff and others should always be a top priority. By adhering to guidelines, seeking medical advice, and taking the necessary precautions, we can confidently and safely explore the world. Safe travels to all! Before embarking on any trip, ensure that you have a detailed precautionary plan in place. Take the time to conduct research on possible risks, bring safety essentials, and prepare emergency contact information.